Hi, today we are going to make the butter cake. So you need to add the self-rising flour, 400 gram. 400 gram would be enough. It's a little bit more, it's okay. 400 gram of caster sugar. Two tablespoons of baking powder. Two tablespoons of corn flour. 400 gram of butter or margarine. Two tablespoons of milk powder. So you need 400 gram of egg. First you have to beat the egg. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend all the mixture slowly. We do it slowly. Get the butter first. Mix the butter around. Ready for the egg. Finish. So all the edges done nicely. Now all the end. And you can add some butter a little bit if you want the edge not sticking properly. So the extra edge you have to cut it off. So the tray is ready like this, but you have to cut the edges. So now we just add in the cake mix into the tray we already pre-make. Preheat the oven for 200. When you put the cake, put it back to 180. So spread it around nicely. Heat the oven before 200. Now put it back to 180. Bake it for about half an hour enough. Within 1 minute. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell button. Then when you upload the videos, you will get a notification straight away. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.